This is a quick video of replacing the dead battery of my Predator 3500 inverter generator. The original battery, which was a sealed lead acid battery, lasted for 2 years. And then I replaced it with another lead acid battery that also lasted just for 2 years. Then I decided getting this lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery comes with two screws to connect the cables. Here's a closer look at the battery, and it has a built-in voltage gauge, which is nice. So the shipped voltage is 13.3, and there is a quality check sticker and a product ID barcode. It is a very lightweight battery. Here is a comparison to the battery I had in the generator. That was also not the original. I bought that from Amazon, that Mighty Hawk battery. The two batteries are very comparable in terms of dimensions, size. So the new battery should fit in the generator without a problem. The screws could be mounted directly onto the terminal in any direction like this. So here's the space in the generator to mount the battery. Let's see if it fits. It does fit in that space. The original covers for the terminals can be used with this battery without any problem. I'm quickly testing this inside the garage, but you should not start and run a generator inside a garage. The garage door is open, but I'm just quickly testing it before closing the generator here to see if it is working. Once the generator starts running, here you can see the voltage of the battery increases gradually. I tested it with a voltmeter, and it seems like the generator is able to charge this battery. So installing this battery in this generator is very easy, and it looks like it's working fine.